Hello guys, in this video we'll be talking about the finance. This is the last page after you have handled research and development, marketing, production, human resource and the total quality management. In the finance section, here we have 4 parts. The finance part here, liabilities and owners equity, the long-term debt and outstanding bonds. Under the plant improvement, we have the total investment. This is the investment carried over from production. Then sales of plant and equipment. If you, for example, you have this machinery that has broken down, then you decide to sell it, the value will be shown here of the amount that you sold it. Then common stock. Here under the common stock section, here is where you finance your company, and you can finance it through equity and retirement of equity. Here we have the shares outstanding. This is the number of shares or the total amount of shares that you have. Ours is 2,092,000. Then we have price per share. This is the closing price of your shares. The earnings per share, ours is this one, and you could ensure that you are increasing these values and it's going as high as possible. Then the maximum stock issue, here you'll the amount that you can issue that given year. After deciding the amount that you want to issue, you'll put your values here. Then you have the maximum stock retire. The one that you can comfortably retire that given year is 9,555,000. You'll put your value here, and issuing of stock, it will help increase your leverage. So if you have low leverage, then you issue stock, your leverage will go up. The dividends per share, this is after, if you want to reward your investors, you give them dividends. Then here we have the current debt. The interest rate is the interest rate for that given year. Ours is 11.8%. Then the amount that is due to be paid that given year, here ours is 20 million. Then the amount that will borrow, you will put your value here. Then the cash position, my cash at this year is 37 million. Then my cash position next year, this will be my cash position next year if I don't take any loan or do anything else in this finance section. But you can see that this value is so low, so just to cushion me, I'll have to take some loan. Then you have this side. This is just a visualization of your company. The retained earnings have 60.7%, accounts payable, the current debt, the long-term debt and the common stock. We have long-term debt. This is just basically what you can retire that given year or issue. Then you have the long-term interest rate, which is 13.2%. And the good thing about long-term debt is you'll be paid. You can pay it for a very long period. Not like the current debt whereby you have to pay the loan that you took in a given year. So that's it. If you feel you have any problems with CAPSIM simulation, just send me an email and I'll help you solve it. Thank you.